Come on, McGregor, do something, McGregor. You're the cocky one, McGregor.
Get ready, Tawh. I'm not ready.
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous now because you guys are
Cautious, remember?
Yeah,
Cautious.
yeah.
Great. Fantastic.
Because this is the speed limit, cause. Alright then.
Good boy.
How are you gonna fight? It makes me nervous.
Korean style. Okay. That's right.
I still need flavor.
It's got flavour. It was in fish soup.
It's got no flavour. I taste it.
Mmm.
Oh my god, it's really visible in the light. Look at it. It's like the
You still need a haircut.
Yeah, I'll get one soon.
Ah, we went on another driving lesson.
Oh yeah, with the boys in the back. And they were telling me to go faster. Pep got sick because he gets car sick easy and I was turning faster in the corners.
Lots of serene in that one too.
It was good driving, eh?
Yeah, it was good, but the moments where you tried to be freaking fast and furious,
That was gangster.
I was not happy about that.
Get my hiccup, but we're going to the. I'm just gonna go Johnsonville because it's
Easy.
fast. Yeah, it's gonna be mucked up. I swear to God, it will. Get up on the phone.
I'm gonna count to 10, my peps. Mena kari konai. Well,
Oh, it's not too bad. I can't see properly.
he did an okay job.
He did stuff up the back a bit, but it's all good. Not
Oh,
bad.
is that what Pep spotted?
Yeah, good eye. My current favourite song.
Brother, you're gonna drive to Tuna Park.
What?
We'll get past all the roundabouts.
No,
and then you'll drive.
No, you gotta.
Come on, that's easy. You just go straight.
I don't know Tuna Park.
That's right, we'll go straight.
Just give me a minute.
So all you gotta
See,
do,
look how much cars come around here.
yeah, but you just gotta stay on your side. Okay? You just gotta follow.
You always tangy about this. Oh, I don't know these things.
That's alright. Hold on, I'll find a space where it's easier to pull out from.
Wow, where's the salooners? Mum, where's that
Take it
Lunars?
from me, not the best parking, I just noticed.
Where's the Lunars?
In here.
There's a car behind me.
That's alright, it's turning. Just keep to your speed, Slow down when you come into the, corners. Yeah, this is the one.
Where the freak are we going?
Slow right down, down, because you gotta go 30 now. And when it says the stop sign, you need to stop in front of it.
Oh my god, I didn't know.
You're right, you got this. Yep, go slow.
Got butter.
Go slow down
Yeah.
and go around.
This is not good timing, eh?
Just go slow. You're right. You got it. Slow, slow, slow. And then cut back this way when you see the blue sign. Slow, slow, slow. Slow. Turn harder. Yep. Straight
Got
on.
it, man.
Keep going, man. Boom. Done. Now at the roundabout,
Oh, what?
I want you to turn left.
I've never done a roundabout in my life.
It's just like it's like a good way.
I've never done one.
You're going left anyway. You're alright. It's just like a giveaway sign. You're all good.
Dude, there's a circle in the freaking
So
middle.
come when you get to the grey car. Slide right down a little bit. Right over, and then turn. Signal left.
Are you touching?
Signal left, and stop. Stop. Yeah. And then turn. Good. Straighten up. Oh, woo!
I'm made for speed, brother. Fast and Furious.
No, Fast and Furious die.
My favourite movies.
Fast
wow.
and Furious crash. Fast and Furious crash.
Why you say that about Paul for my favourite actor? My favourite actor. One of my favourite actors. Oh, freaking done.
Watch the road. What? Don't forget to check all your mirrors again.
Why don't you check my mirror?
No, it isn't. It's not Māori. Or is it? Girl, you're the one I want. You're the one I need. I'm begging you, please. Can you come back to me? 'Cause I was glad to see that you were right in front of me. You were right in front of me, girl. I was glad to see that you were right in front of me, girl. You're the one. I need that window mic. I don't know the lyrics. The last night I think I knew. I should have run.
You see it?
Damn, this is gonna hit.
It's gonna rain. Give it.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Oh my god! It's shaking the car. I did.
This song. Not the pig. Just give me another minute. Oh, man, I'm brave.
What's the drills, Tawhiti? What's the drills? Hey. Masitero.
It's the sun, it's right there. Hey, can you?
Everyone's off.
It's the sun. I should have worn my hat. It's in the car. That's one.
Good girl, Makere.
These don't count as a woman.
Oh, Lordy.
How can you see?
I can't see shit.
No, you gotta go in order.
Yeah, she's using 2 hands because of netball. You use 2 hands, you're netball. You don't play basketball. That's basketball style. Run. You can run back. Oh no. Backboard.
And you're running. Yeah, running. Okay. Turn. Get ready.
Have you listened, mate? That's it.
Get ready.
Join me.